Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Another dressing design I'm showing you today. And this one I'm showing you because this particular unit you are looking at is the most classical Victorian design for dressings. You see any classical movie from India, from South languages or Hindi language, be it Tamil movie or Telugu movie, or you see any old movie, classical movie from Hollywood, from the English movies store, you'll find this kind of unit sitting there. Is the most classical, and the design is as per the client's requirement and sizes again. This one is 4 feet out and out. The height of the platform is 30 inches, 2.5 feet from the ground. Front to back, this is 20 inches. So total height with the frame is 6.5 feet. And it has got two drawers in front, one here, the other that side, and two small drawers underneath the frame. And the design in itself, if you see, the curves in the legs, the curve in the front part is going from here, and then the curve inside and going outside. And this is in the teak wood, teak high gloss finish. The interesting part about these items is this is the classical stuff, and the classical stuff looks classy when you have the wood finish. You can make it modern design as well if you go for colors like gold, silver, copper, and white, off-white. But the classical thing that you see remains the same when you have the finishing, the wood texture, and everything visible very clearly. And once glass is placed, the looking glass is complete and ready to use. The size is as per client's requirement. You are looking for a bigger unit, that can be done. A little smaller unit can also be made as per the requirement. And only if you want the console without the frame, that can also be provided. The base part of this dressing, if you see, works as a console also. So as a server unit, or if you keep it close to the wall, you can put some decorative items on it. And without the frame, it works as a console. So console with a frame, that's the basic idea for this unit. And this one is going to Hyderabad. Anywhere in India you want, we deliver everywhere. And out of India also, we are delivering to most of the places. It's almost 500 videos that we have on YouTube for different kind of stuff. And every time we make a new design or something really different, I show you in that video. Similarly, this classy design I'm showing you here. And the dressers are basically two things. One is the mirror and one is the storage space. You can also get a stool along with this for sitting, but this one doesn't have one because the client didn't need one, so we didn't create it. If you want more storage, something underneath the open area here you see can also be crafted a little more storage than what we have now. But as for the design, this is the design that we have and what we have done. Teak wood, high gloss teak finish, the classical dresser. And if you're looking for something like this, you can contact us. For the pricing, you can visit our website, arsonwoods.com. There you have several designs for dressers and other furniture items like sofa, dining, wardrobes, crockery unit, a lot of other stuff. And the workmanship, you can see here very clearly, the flowers, the carving, everything is hand done. This is the hand working, hand crafting of our artisans who are working with us for so long now. The work of Arson, the quality of Arson, and hope you like this. I request for a few comments of yours. Let us know how we are doing. Thank you so much.